One of the coolest fashion studios I have ever seen. Today we're doing a naming workshop for... I'm not the best at naming things, so hopefully this workshop is helpful in teaching me how to come up with names for things. What'd you get?
I got a little, what's that boy?
Oh.
It's a big one.
Team meeting.
Okay.
This is the beginning of history. So at this point you might be confused. This video is actually part 3 of my entire study abroad series. Quick little rundown. At the end of this trip we are presenting a brand reimagining pitch to Vogue Czechoslovakia, to the founder and creative team of the entire magazine. And if you want to learn a little bit more about the project and the whole point of this trip, you can go back and watch part 1 and part 2 of this video. Part 2 is where I break it down slightly more, but yes, it's a pretty exciting project. And we also get to go to the Vogue Summit, which is this really big private event, which I definitely did vlog, so stay tuned for that footage. And also if you want to see a little bit more about our final project. How is it rated out of 10?
It's delicious.
That would be so cute if that ugly yellow car wasn't right there.
Everything you see here in our atelier is made right here in this flat, which we are very happy to be in because the Paris street, we are probably the only fashion street in Czech Republic. Probably if you are in fashion, you know how hard it is, and especially in Europe, to have quality materials and stay with the suppliers, which is like a huge task for us every day, to have the best stuff possible for the best price, because of course it's going to be very, very steep, that can stay in your wardrobe for many, many years and can fit you forever, because of course we want to service our clients the best way possible. We take care of them as much as we can. We don't have hundreds of them, of course, because we concentrate on custom made only and on exclusivity mostly.
Yeah, I love that texture.
So amazing. I need to get a picture. Zuzana also does costumes for theater. Here you can also see our archive, starting with Zuzana's actually student years. Some of them are just one piece that was made due to some inspiration, and so
I need this in my life.
to have Q&A and time with Zuzana personally.
Here you can see all the story. Wow. Oh, that's that one. Oh, yes. Yeah.
People in the business.
You could see the stitching. Yes.
It's cut in hand.
Wow.
Her logo, this is so creative. This coat. It's so amazing.
That's so pretty. I like that one.
One of the coolest fashion studios I have ever seen. Do you have anything to say to the vlog?
I was sweaty, but after they told me about all these beautiful looks, I am now tried.
Ooh, this is cute. Ooh. Okay. Do you want some?
No. Girl, I made a slate like what?
We are now headed to an art gallery opening. It depends. If we say something that's like relevant or funny, I'll usually keep it in. I feel like this vlog's gonna be a lot of montages from what I've been getting. outfits of the night.
This is thrifted in Paris. This is from Free People. I'm Gia. These are from Harley. This is from Jaded London.
The magic hat.
My boots are H&M. My shorts are from 2nd Street. I took this jacket from my mom. And I also thrifted this little purse.
Cute. Tell me where everything's from.
My bag is thrifted Coach. My shoes are Steve Madden. Pants are Pull and Bear. And this top, I got it in France. I think I got it from like Zara.
I love this top. Outfit of the night, outfit of the night. Tell me where everything's from.
Low-key, I got this on Shein like 4 years ago.
Girl, no.
She's old though.
Okay, sustainable fashion, keep it for many years.
Yeah, we're keeping it. I just thrifted this. And the boots are Aldo.
Top thrifted, skirt is by me, boots Steve Madden, bag Poshmark. Okay. Wait, we need Philippe. Can I borrow you for a minute? What are you wearing tonight? Where is everything from? Outfit of the night.
It's pure plastic
Oh, okay.
and it's from Colombia. And the rest, what can I say? Climbing shoes, knowing that I have never climbed. I just thought they were very cool.
Yeah, they are cool. Where's the hat from?
It's from a very, very shitty company called York. They sell oil.
And an official happy birthday to Philippe.
Yes, happy birthday, Philippe.
Group picture.
How can we take it?
It's a group video.
You should just be like, Prague 2025. Prague! Oh. Ready? One.
You know it's a picture.
Oh, no.
Hear the sound.
Okay, ready? It's a video, Philippe.
Oh, okay.
Ready? One, two, three. Prague 2025!
Maybe first I will show you a short video. Glass can be art too. This is a collection of my whiskey glasses, men and women. And you can put it together like this. When we take out from mold, this piece looks like this. And after we must polish it like this. And so it's a very long process. For each piece I'm making six originals. This is typical color for my work, and if you use the UV light, it's fantastic effect. Each piece has 750 kilograms. This is Czech lion, it's like Oscar. Yeah. It's my design too. I asked him why, and he said, because you love us.
How are you feeling this morning?
I'm feeling...
Just want to know how I'm feeling.
Yeah. That's how you're feeling?
So, the way I was feeling then is why I'm paying for what I'm paying for. Let me show you the new love of my life. Hang on, he's Brazilian.
Oh, we got him on the vlog last night.
Which one is this? Is this the one I made out with? Is that the last one? Huh?
Good morning, Queen. We are headed to the summertime Cosmo event, but it's not very summery today. Say hi.
You wanna date me, baby? Is that what it is?
If they want to date you, they should just say that.
No. He was with his wife too. He's like, but it wasn't a look of date. It was a look of what the fuck. So I look back like.
No, he
what's
was
up?
jealous.
I know, because he wants to wear a dress too. I get it. I get it.
Here's our picture we took. This is kind of like peak influencer type of event, but it's cute. It is.
It's very cute.
We're gonna get a coffee. They got pistachio vanilla latte, so I'm gonna get one of those. Oh, they're getting their makeup.
I don't ever get my makeup done, so I'm just
Enjoying the glamour.
enjoying the glamour.
Emily, let me see the makeup.
I asked for light.
It actually looks really pretty.
It looks nice.
I know.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
What'd you get?
A heat-activated serum.
She's working that marketing brain. Fit check today for the Cosmopolitan event.
I'm like bloated. I didn't even eat shit yet. I ate air. Literally. Oh no, I lied. I ate a big ass breakfast.
We're back from the Cosmo event. I just switched into my comfy clothes and now I'm just gonna sit out here with Belle and Michelle. They're about to meet me down here and just work on our projects because yesterday we had our team meetings with our teachers to see like how our ideas were going, and it was slightly soul crushing, but it's okay because we have an idea. We've been so booked and busy this whole time, we've barely had any time to like actually sit down and work on the project, so we're gonna do that now. We've been working for 12 hours straight today on this project. How does everyone feel? And now we're drinking.
As we should.
Yep. So I'm back in the room. If I look exhausted, it's because I am. Yeah. Anyways, it is the night before the Vogue Summit event. Got my outfit hanging up over here. This is a skirt I made literally the night before I left for this trip. It's a little bit out there. Some people might find it weird. Some people are probably gonna love it. Some people are probably gonna hate it. But hopefully it'll be a conversation starter. We'll see how it goes. Basically just wanted to check in and say today was long. We got our rough draft turned in after I think like 10 hours of work. And tomorrow's the big day. See you tomorrow in the morning at like 8 a.m.